We are guessing at 2 yards. Wait. Well, maybe... No. Okay, I feel lucky. Okay, it was too much.
Alright, welcome back. We're on our way to go pick up some 3x1 mix. And then go get some premium topsoil. All in one load. Take you along. See how it's done. Alright, we've made it into where we're going to pick up river rock. 3x1 mix. Work our way to the back where they have it piled up. DNA haulers checking in, picking up 3x1. That pile way back there in front of us, that's the one we want. I don't know where that truck's going. I don't know if that loader's going to turn around and follow us. It does appear that he is going to. Well, I guess he's not going to come back here and load us. All right, we got a loader coming finally. I thought he was going to come back over here a couple minutes ago. Apparently not. I get 2 tons on a 1x3. Gotcha. As long as it looks like about 2 yards. So he's going to guess at it. So this will be interesting how close he is. He does not have a scale on this loader. It's all right, we'll go across the scale. If we got too much, we can come back and dump some out. If I can have a quick look real quick. Yeah, that'll be good. It looks good. We'll find out when we go across the scale. Maybe over. If we are, it won't be by much. Get up to the scale and we'll find out. DNA haulers coming on scale, 3x1. And we'll find out how much we got. Well, we're over what we wanted. We got 3 tons instead of 2 tons. We're going to go ahead and keep it. Customer may tell me to take some of it back home with me. He may just go ahead and take it all. I'm not going to charge him extra for it. He didn't ask for it. But I do think what we'll do, we're going to take some of it to the house. I don't think I can put my divider in. Nah, we'll take it all. Now we got to go back over to Silver Creek, pick up 2 yards of premium. That's why I was looking at the amount in the trailer, because I got to divide that trailer in half still. Which to do that, I'll raise the trailer all the way up, shift all that rock to the very back, and bring it back down, put our divider in. Shouldn't be too bad. All right, we've made it into Silver Creek Materials, where we're going to try to move all this rock to the back and put our divider in. Can't move it back by raising it up. I have to get the shovel out. The way around, got to go all the back. Yeah, looks like I'm gonna have to get the shovel out. Yeah, I should have went and got rid of some of this. And there's our halfway point. Wasn't too bad. Now we can go get some dirt. Work our way up to the office. 2 yards of premium added to this load. Can definitely tell I'm way too heavy in the tail of the trailer. Well, it's taking a little while to get up here. The tongue of that trailer is bouncing all over the place. So much weight in the back. Alright, got that called in. Loader will be up here in just a minute. Set up back here. See if I can get him to use his bucket. Push some of that rock forward. Yeah. All right, push. That'll help a lot with the weight. See, he's using that 1 yard bucket again instead of a 2 yard, which is okay. Thank you, sir. I will go over in the tarping area and get this covered up. All right, just sent the customer an ETA. Should show up his place, back behind his place actually, 235. Let's get out of here. Pulling up behind the customer's house. Told me on the phone where he wanted the river rock dumped. I don't quite remember. I'm not going to assume and dump it wherever. I'll let him show me where he wants it. I'm thinking right there in front of us. But I'll go find out. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you. All right. I don't know if you heard all that or not, but we'll be putting a rock right there where there's a little bit sitting there. He's got to go back in and do some work, which is fine. He told me right where to put the material. Well, bringing this extra rock, more than what he asked for, And by looking at his project, he'll use it. All this weight against there, it doesn't want to open. All right, did it all come out of there? For the most part, yes it did. Now we'll pull around up there and dump the rest of it. All right, get turned around, we go uphill and dump his premium topsoil. The reason we come in back behind all these homes is because I can't get back here from the front of his house. So it's either dump it in his driveway, which is a hill, and he'd have to wheelbarrow it all back here. I just come down behind all the homes, pull up into his backyard. Oh, right there should work just fine. Now we need to get them boards and stuff out of there. I store these boards underneath the trailer. Oh, I'm good. Well, you brought it all the way out here. Okay. Thank you.
Scott says he may want to water.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You did a lot of rock.
Yeah, it was more than
That's okay.
yeah. It's more than he asked for. And I told them they have a minimum of 2. They gave me 3. And I didn't feel like going back and dumping just a little bit out. Said, he'll use it. And now looking at the project, he's going to use a lot of it up in here.
Yeah, he'll figure out something.
Oh yeah, it won't go to waste. I thought about stopping.
About a year or so, but he'll use it.
I thought about stopping by one of my customers in Springtown that did his whole front and backyard.
Rock.
That rock. And I thought about calling, dude, could you use a little bit more? I'm gonna back in your driveway and dump a little bit. Nah, I'd bring it all here.
Oh well. Okay. At least the sun's gone.
Oh, it started over Azle and Springtown area. It started pouring rain.
Oh, did it?
And I seen them clouds and I'm like, oh no. Okay, it's not where I'm at, where I'm going.
It always skips us for some reason.
That's the way it usually does at my house.
It skips us all the time.
Usually it comes up and just kind of goes around, which the real nasty weather, I'm okay with that. I don't need hail and tornadoes. All right, thank you. Everything's delivered and put away. We can call it a day now. Work our way up and out of here. Head to the house. Thanks for watching.